In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fidelity core position. Your core position is the default place where your uninvested cash sits and where trades settle. It's the cash sweep that receives dividends, interest, and sale proceeds, and it's the source used when you place a new buy order. Changing it can affect yield, liquidity, and certain account features, so it's worth knowing how to update it confidently. Start by logging into your Fidelity account and choosing the specific account you want to update. If you have more than one account, make sure you're inside the correct one because core positions are selected at the individual account level. Once you're in that account, navigate to the Positions tab. This page lists your holdings and, importantly, your cash line. Look for your cash position and expand it to reveal more details. You should see information about your current core position there. Next, select Change Core Position. This typically appears as a link or button alongside the cash details. Clicking it opens the options that are available for your account type. Not every account is eligible for every choice, so what you see may vary. Now, choose your preferred option. Generally, you'll see a true cash option and one or more money market funds. Money market funds may offer a competitive yield while aiming to maintain stability, though yields can change and they are not bank accounts. A standard cash sweep may prioritize immediate liquidity and simplicity. Consider factors like current yield, expense ratio, eligibility requirements, and any trading or settlement implications. If you use features like margin or check writing, confirm how each core option works with those. Before finalizing, review the details on the confirmation screen carefully, read the disclosures, note any minimums or restrictions, and check when the change becomes effective. In many cases, your new core position applies to future cash flows, while existing balances may automatically sweep according to the new setting. Timing can vary by account and market hours. When everything looks right, confirm your selection. You should see a success message indicating that your core position has been updated. You'll also see the new core reflected in the cash section on the Positions tab. And that's it, your core position is updated. If you don't see the Change Core Position link, your account may not be eligible for changes online and you may need additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to change your Fidelity core position.